Do you need a solar powered street light? I have one at the end of the driveway, and I'm very pleased with this, but this is an even better one. So stick around and we'll see how this thing goes up and how it works. My family recently received and installed the Okpro solar street light. We installed it on a tree. We were very impressed with the quality of the product, with the ease of installation, and the clarity of the instructions. We're also quite surprised and pleased with the amount of light that the solar powered street light puts out on our property. So this video is going to walk you through our experience with the Okpro solar street light. If you will check in the text below, you'll see a link that will lead you to this exact product in case you want to buy it. This was shipped in a larger box, but I've already discarded that. It's from Okpro. Here's the customer service information. It has a pamphlet that contains the warranty information, specifications on what's in the box. We're supposed to have a lamp body, a lamp arm, a solar panel, a bracket, remote control, and a set of mounting screws. Instructions seem very well done. I'm going to actually let my son put this up. Have a very large solar panel, bracket, and the pole looks like another bracket or holder. We have the solar light. This thing appears to be very well made. Very solid. And hardware. Very cool remote. And a tool. Before we begin, make sure we have everything in the box. We have the lamp body there. We have the lamp arm there. We have the solar panel there. Bracket there. Mounting screws there. Finally, the remote control there. Looks like we have everything. Also, this part, I forgot to show that. We hit our first snag when Dallas was installing the frame on the pole. That went up easy enough, but then when he tried to attach the solar panel to the frame, it was in an awkward position. So he ended up taking the panel and the frame off and then assembling the solar panel and the frame together first before putting them on the pole. So putting the solar panel on the frame first before you put it on the pole?
Yeah. Because you can't see what you're doing.
Additionally, one of the holes was not fully punched out, and he had to work the rest of the metal out so that he could put the screws in there. You still had metal on the way?
See?
Oh, I sure did.
So I don't know. I don't know. It's getting a lot of sun right there.
Is it?
Yeah.
It might be enough then. You should get plenty more in the next 3 hours. Oh, that's cool. Doesn't look bad, does it?
Hmm?
It does not look bad.
Mm.
The remote control that we received was slightly different than the one that was shown on the instructional pamphlet. It appeared that ours had a motion sensor option, but we haven't been able to test that out yet. We decided to leave ours on the full auto. That means that it's going to come on at dusk and stay on until dawn. But you also have the option to leave it on for a few hours. It has, I believe, a 3-hour mode, a 5-hour mode, and an 8-hour mode. Oh, it is changing.
You sure?
The remote came with batteries, so you don't have to buy separate batteries to put them in. Just pop, slide this end in, snap it shut. So it's not that dark, but it gets dark in the woods. Earlier. So it's working. Let's pull it here and see what we can see. We didn't have much sunshine today at all. It's still a little bit light outside. Just putting out a pretty good bit of light here. I've cut my headlights off. It's raining also. I'm sending out the rain to film this. I cut my headlights off, and so we're getting that much light from it. So it's quite nice. This is the first night, and my headlights are off on my car, so it's giving off quite a bit of light. We didn't have much sunshine today at all. The second day we had more sunshine, and it wasn't raining that night, so I walked down to test the light's brightness. This is after a full day of charging. Very bright. So I have the light off of my camera. You can see how far out it casts. Very bright. Let's play with this remote a little bit. On, off, dust cut off, on. It has a motion sensor that we think. I'm not really sure what happens with that. But we're going to keep it on auto. But you can put it on to only stay on 3 hours a night, 5 hours for a night, or 8 hours for a night. We're going to use it from dusk till dawn. Thanks a lot for watching my video on the solar powered street light. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up, to leave a positive comment or leave a negative comment, and share the video if appropriate. Check in the text below and in the comments, and I'll provide a link on how you can buy this exact product or one similar. And if you have time before you go, watch another video, and until next time, let's just help each other use solar energy when we can and make the world a brighter place. Bye.